Page 253. Seasons and the weather. The four seasons. A year is divided into four parts, called the four seasons. Do you know the names of the seasons? There is spring, summer, fall, and winter. Fall is also called autumn. What is each season like? That depends on where you live. In many places, spring is warm and flowers bloom. Then comes a hot summer. Then comes a cool fall. When the days get shorter, then comes a cold winter. And maybe lots of snow. In other places, the season change in other ways. Some children live in places where it never snows. In some neighborhoods, the leaves stay green all year round. But no matter what the weather does, where you live, the year is still cycled through four seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter, over and over, every year. What are the seasons like where you live? When you think of each season, what do you hear or see or smell? What different things do you like to do during the different seasons? Page 255, continue. Two kinds of trees. In many parts of our country, the leaves on many trees and bushes turn from green to red, gold and brown, and then fall off. This happens in the season called, you guessed it, fall. Trees and bushes whose leaves fall in the fall have a special name. It's a big word. So hold on. Deciduous. It's almost a tongue twister. They're saying deciduous 4 times very 5. Deciduous means falling off Even though deciduous plants lose their leaves, in the fall they grow new leaves. In the spring, maples, oaks, and apple trees are all deciduous trees. But you may have noticed that some trees and bushes stay green all through the winter. They lose some of their leaves every year, but because they seem to stay green forever, we call this kind of plant evergreen. Pine trees and holly bushes are evergreens. Here's the same tree in the winter after leaves have fallen. The tree in the middle of the picture is a deciduous tree. Look at all the leaves it has in summer.